In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues with Suno AI, especially when things just don't seem to be working right. First of all, let's dive into one of the simplest yet most effective solutions: refreshing your browser or restarting Chrome. This might seem basic, but it's often the most overlooked step. By doing this, you're essentially asking Chrome to start fresh, eliminating any temporary glitches or hangups that could be causing issues. Once that's done, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. Now, cache and cookies are bits of data stored by your browser to make your internet experience faster, like remembering if you visited a site before or keeping you logged in. However, over time, these can build up and potentially lead to problems. To clear these, head to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, then click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you'll be able to choose what you want to clear. It's usually a good idea to select cookies and cached images and files. Doing this can help reset website behavior and solve issues stemming from old or corrupt data. Make sure you're logged in properly. If you're using services like Suno AI that require an account, being logged in correctly is essential. Sometimes logging out and back in can resolve minor issues related to session data misbehaving. It's worth checking your login status to ensure everything is in order. We then move on to browser extensions. While these are great for enhancing your browser experience, some can interfere with the operation of web applications by blocking scripts or changing the way pages behave. To test if this is the case, try disabling your extensions temporarily. Simply go to your extensions manager in Chrome and toggle off anything that could potentially interfere. Pay particular attention to ad blockers, as these are known culprits for occasionally blocking useful scripts. If your issue persists, it's time to take things private, so to speak, by trying to use Suno AI in incognito mode. Incognito mode runs the browser without using the saved cache, cookies, or extensions, which can give you a clearer picture of what might be causing the problem if Suno AI works without a hitch there. Finally, should these efforts not resolve your issue, reaching out to Suno AI support is your best bet. They're equipped to handle more technical issues and can